first startup inside the car with the Procharger.
Procharged 2021 Mustang.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Okay, well, we are on the road, guys, and it is beautiful today. Jose, what did you say the weather was supposed to be in Salt Lake today?
75 degrees.
75 degrees. When was the last time it was 75 degrees here in Utah?
No idea.
I'm gonna make that quick pit stop and get some breakfast over here at the Mickey D's. I know I say this all the time, but this is like my favorite time of year when it's green down here, blue at the base of the mountain, and then white on the caps, and then blue in the sky. Well, I mean, it's really cloudy today, but I just can't get enough of this valley. Like, look at how beautiful this is. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we made it down to Premier Performance, and right behind that open door is a Mustang with a supercharger. And right out front that door, there's another Mustang. We should check that out as well. But we should go see if the car is done because it's 10 minutes from when they said it would be ready. So... Did we mess up by not going with a Mach 1? I think we kind of should have. I mean, the front end looks great. I mean, even though that is incredible. You can see right there peeping over the top of the hood, that white powder coated to match the car. Supercharger. Look, this is beautiful. Right behind that grill that we just installed in, I don't know what, about 2 weeks ago. We installed that bumper and that grill, and now we've got an intercooler behind it to kind of show it off. Okay, I think that's enough talking. I think you guys are more excited to see this than I am, but I doubt it, so let's check it out. Okay, so he said that it's already been warmed up and everything. He knew we were gonna be a little early. So he's gonna do a poll for us so that we can see the numbers and hear the sounds. And I'm excited for this, ladies and gentlemen. Enough talking, without further ado, the Procharged 2021 Mustang. Okay, we thought it was loud before, but that is insanely loud. I wish you guys could be here to experience that, because then it would be your ears ringing and not mine. I can't wait to get in this thing and take it home. I'm so excited to drive it. I don't think you guys understand what this means to me. This is incredible. So we put down 684 and 519. I don't know if you guys can hear that whistle or not, but that's what we wanted. So we got the high gear set bearing, high bearing. I don't really know. I'm actually kind of an idiot. My dad pays for all this stuff. We had to make it as noisy as possible. Just typical Colin fashion. Time to get paid up, hop on the road, and head back to the ranch. Here we go. It's a little quiet, not as loud as I'd like it to be. Exhaust in track mode. We'll put it in normal and then we'll open it up later. Here we go. Oh, I love that just whistling sound. Now that was like, I don't know, 15% throttle, but that blow-off valve, I don't know if you guys can hear it. Man, this is exciting. Now we're gonna put it in a sport mode, track mode exhaust, open the exhaust up a little bit. Getting goosebumps, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, jeez, boys, that thing is skirting. Here we go, baby, third gear. Woo! so we made it home, and that was one of the most fun drives of my life. I love the supercharger. I love the boost, but I did decide it's not quite loud enough. So yeah, I'm gonna head inside. I'm gonna order catless headers for this thing, and I'm gonna take it back, get a different pulley on, get it retuned, and we're gonna shoot for closer to 800 horsepower. I'm really excited for that. You guys aren't gonna wanna miss it. Stay tuned on that. For the Super Duty, as you can see in the box right there, we have the new hood that's going on here that's going to be matching the hood on the Mustang. I've got traction bars from TSL Co. that are going on there. I've got the exhaust tip that just went on, and we're going to get the rear bumper paint matched to match the whole paint match truck. And then I think I might do new wheels. I think it might be time for new wheels. Let me know what wheels you guys think I should put on the Super Duty. 26s or 24s. Let me know. And then if you guys haven't, be sure to tune in on the 2022 Can-Am X3 XRS build, because we have a lot of stuff going on over there. Just barely, we got the RSK doors, we got the scats, we got the, or not the scats, we got the Packard wheels with the Sandcraft tires. I had scats on my last one, sorry. Just barely today, Ibex Clutching came up and helped us and put a prototype clutch kit on the 2022 P Drive. So if you guys don't want to miss any future videos, be sure to stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.